waiting for our tour guide. So both entrance ticket. Hey guys, JE here and welcome back to Vlogsetter. And after almost 4.5 hours, we are finally here at Gwangyang, Maewa, which is also known as the Plum Village.
My name is like 1231. Yeah. Korean, South Korea, and you can see outside of the bus.
We're just waiting for our tour guide. He is currently buying the ticket para makapasok kami sa loob. But for the meantime, we're staying here. Yan. And we'll wait for him for the next 10 to 15 minutes. So we have finally gotten our ticket, guys. Ito siya with 6,000 coupon. So both entrance ticket to at saka yung 6,000 coupon that you could use most of the stores here inside. Ang daming mga blossoms. So some are white, mostly white, pero meron din mga other colors like this one, pink. We're walking uphill from there, pero almost everywhere, kahit dun pa lang sa labas, madami naman ng mga plum blossoms. Hey guys, pababa na kami pero we grabbed this ice cream using the coupon. So parang nakakuha kami ng isang ice cream and one bottled water, and that's 6,000 won. And this is called Mayfield flavored ice cream. Actually, lasa siyang yogurt. So lasa siyang yaw-yaw with mga bits of some things. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita sa video, pero yeah. Lasa siyang yogurt ice cream. By the way, it's 12:30 in the afternoon already and pabalik na kami dun sa meeting place kasi we have to be there by 12:50. Medyo mainit dito. Kanina when I checked, it was 12 degrees Celsius. So kapag ka nasa arawan, ang init. Actually, kanina I had to take off my jacket kasi nga pinagpapawisan ako. Pero when you are in the shaded area, you would still feel the coldness. Madami dito nagbebenta ng mga gulay. Looks like they are the village people. Nagbebenta ng kanilang mga harvests. We're finally here. Ito yung bus natin. Parang yung lakad natin is around 10 minutes from the meet-up point dun sa restaurant kung saan din tayo dinrap off kanina.
Dress, you can rent it. 2 hours, 25,000, and including hair setting and P&B choco pie. I usually buy it for myself or for my wife. So, 泉州市的人口大概60万的一个城市，而且代表韩国的传统文化是。If you want to go there.
Hey guys, we're finally here at Jeonju Hanok Heritage Village. And that's after mga 1.5 hours of travel from kung saan tayo last na nag-stop. Arrived here 3 p.m. and stay tayo dito ng hanggang 5:15. Tapos kita-kita ulit doon sa kung saan tayo dinrap off ng bus. And that would be the end of the tour. Tapos pabalik na ulit na Seoul after that. So guys, we passed by the Jeondong Cathedral. Ito siya. I would show your picture ng buong cathedral here. And let's try to walk around the church. We're back here now at the front of the church. Ito yung itsura niya. Yan. Second floor din yung restaurant here. I just checked it sandali kasi nandito din yung toilet. So guys, we stopped by here sa restaurant na nag-o-offer ng bibimbap. Hindi ko exactly sure kung anong pangalan ng restaurant kasi puro Korean. Even the menu actually. Mostly Korean characters. But nonetheless, we'll try it here. Anong oras na ba? It's 3:35. It's going to be our late lunch. And actually, kami lang yung tao dito. Pati dun sa taas, walang tao.
Medyo maanghang yung sa'yo.
So, nandito na yung food natin guys. This is my bibimbap. Yeah. And halos kasabay namin yung break time ng mga servers. Kasi nga wala pang tao at this time. Let's go guys, let's eat. Ito yung bibimbap. Tinanggal ko yung spicy sauce kasi hindi ako mahilig sa maanghang. Pero maanghang pa rin siya. So that was it, ang ating late lunch guys. Doon lang siya, banda. That was filling. Ang dami kasi nung serving ng mga food nila. Yung kinain kong bibimbap, that's 13,000. And then yung another soup is 9,000 naman. That's 100 pesos. And now, we're back to walking here. Yan, nagpapakasunog tayo guys sa araw. Pero sobrang lamig. The last I checked, parang 11 degrees Celsius. Pero mataas yung araw. Although, it's already 4:35 in the afternoon, kaya mas malamig na. So in a few minutes, we'll get back dun sa kung saan tayo din wrap off nung bus kanina. That's 5:15. Ayun yung ating time to be there.
Pakatan mo?
Back here guys, sa ating meeting point. Yan, dyan tayo bumaba, dun sa taas. And it's 5 in the afternoon, pero ano, 5:15 pa naman yung ating time dyan. By the way guys, I mentioned kanina na this is going to be yung last part of this tour. So lalagay ko na lang dito yung details ng tour na to. But well, actually after here, pabalik na ng Seoul. But for our case, we are not because dinala namin yung aming mga luggages, because the plan is from here we will go straight to Busan. So what would happen is that from here magta-taxi na lang kami going to the nearest express bus station. May malapit daw dito around 12 minutes, and ayun na yung bus going to Busan. According to the tour guide here, it would be around 3 to 3.5 hours from here going to Busan riding the bus. Ayan guys, final na roll call na ni Kuya because we are now getting back in the bus. So iniwan na kami ng bus guys, paalis na sila. So what I meant kanina na we're getting back dun sa ating bus is sila na lang pala yung sasakay kasi they are going back to Seoul, but for us, kinuha lang namin tong mga luggages namin kasi we'll be riding a taxi from here going to the nearest bus terminal going to Busan. Then one gave us coupons before they left. Hey guys, we're finally in Busan, and I would cut this tour video right here, and then I'll create na lang a separate vlog on the transfer from Jeonju to Busan, and also a separate video for our room here in Toyoko Inn. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my videos only here in Vlogsetera. Till the next one. Bye!
Cracky.